Hello guys, good morning from Japan. Welcome back. Konnichiwa. So guys, update on Faraday Future, ticker FFIE. We had yesterday here a very bearish price action, but in my opinion very predictable. You can see my previous videos where I already showed all the price levels to the downside here before we could expect the next technical rebound. I will give you here the updated chart, guys, and of course this is not a financial advice. Yeah, guys, minus 17.7% in one day, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. So we're trading now here. Yeah, you can see from the all-time high, or the all-time high for this squeeze, not the all-time high for Faraday Future, but since the stock splits and since we had this massive 10,000% squeeze, we corrected now. I mentioned that already a few times that the first squeeze is over, and there are a lot of reasons why we came down here. As I said, you can also just see my previous videos here. So yeah, the gap is closed, guys. So we had this open gap here in the daily chart. I'm talking about this since weeks. We have here two open gaps for Faraday Future. The first open gap, or open down gap to the downside, was here at 35 cents. I said that already, sooner or later we will close the gap, guys, and we have one more open gap here at 7 cents. So sooner or later also this gap will get filled, and we already on the way to close this gap, guys. So when we now zoom in here and I show you my drawings, nothing changed. As you know, I always keep everything like it is. And yeah, I said that we have this gap here, that we have to close this gap with a daily candle. We had already here an attempt. So when we zoom in, what happened here already in the first price action here, that was by the end of May here, almost 1 month ago, we had already here an attempt to close this gap, but this was within 4-hour candle. We had a nice rebound then, and now with the daily candle we closed this open gap here. So we can delete this orange line. And then, guys, this is not finished yet. This is a price move which I said I expect. Yeah, that is my personal prediction, not a financial advice, guys. I said that my personal buy-in level is between this area here and the ultimate goal. If the buyers, if the, let's call them the bulls, if they are still there, guys, I said the white line here, you can see my previous videos, I never change my charts. This is where I predicted the price to go before we see the next possible bounce. Yeah, the problem is that Faraday Future diluted their stock massively. We had here a very low float situation, which caused also the short squeeze here. We had 38 million shares. That was the total public tradable float. Then they diluted the stock to 435 million shares, which is absolute massively when you see the total float. And that's why I don't expect any big squeezes here. But we could see here a big squeeze, guys, in favor of a technical reaction. And I will show you here the new Fibonacci retracement based on the chart. So as I said, my personal price goal is and was this white line here, 20 cent and 13. And now let's check the 4 hours chart. You can see we had here massive price action to the downside. When we see the whole candle which built up yesterday, we talk here about minus 28%. We had a little bit of recovering here at this price line here. As I said, between 30 and 20 cent is the price range where I expect the price to go. But when we zoom out now here, zoom in the 4 hours chart, yeah, guys, on the dot. What can I say? I don't understand, guys. When I make videos like that, I really try to help you. I try to educate people in trading. This is everything I can do for you. I don't know why I get so many dislikes for my videos when I'm not talking bearish about the stock. I just give you here the price levels based on the chart. Yeah, I have no emotions for any stock at all. I just trade them based on the technicals, and this is what I predicted already weeks ago. And now we are exactly here. Yeah, especially people in some Reddit communities. They try to I don't know. I don't understand it, guys. Yeah, I try to help you, and you can see it is again on the point here what I predicted in the chart. The good news is, guys, that we have here now a potential rebound scenario for a nice bounce back to the upside here. So what we have to do now is we have, of course, to adjust this micro Fibonacci retracement. We have the big Fibonacci retracement based on this total short squeeze. There we still have here a golden pocket. We have to zoom in one more time. If you don't know how trading works, guys, normally when you have a squeeze, then the stock should retrace until the 786 retracement and then retest the golden pocket. This golden pocket, guys, is more or less still untested. Yeah, so potentially we have the scenario that we could see prices back to $1.20 and $1.50 for Faraday Future, which would be a very, very huge bounce based on this price, which we have now, more than 600%. This is possible. This would be a very, very big squeeze. The problem is that we have the dilution. The float is much bigger, so the short sellers have much more shares available to control the price, or we can say to manipulate the price, guys, yeah. Because what happened here when they covered some shares, guys, that haven't been normal shares. There also a lot of synthetic shares have been created and they have to settle them. But the problem is that we have here the very, very strong resistance at 76 cents. This is why I expect when we see here a bounce happen. Let me zoom in that I show you first what I mean here with a bounce. As I said, that was always here my price goal here to buy in some shares of Faraday Future. This is my personal strategy, and what we will do now here, we adjust this micro Fibonacci retracement here based on this last micro move which we had, and you can see also this golden pocket here we had the squeeze, came back, and we never retested this golden pocket here. So for the swing traders, yeah, in my opinion, that could be a potential move that we see a bounce back here at 20 cents and then come back here in this golden pocket, which is here between 61 cents and 59 cents. In worst case, you can see we have the bull stepped in here, so we had here some very nice price action. In worst case, guys, we come back down here to 15 cents before we see, in my opinion, a final reaction here. You can see that the bears try to just pierce this 1618 retracement, which is normally a very strong technical support. So this is possible that there is one more shakeout depending what the pre-market is doing today, and we come back down here to 14.55 before we see our rebounds. However, guys, don't forget, sooner or later, this is just now a matter of days or weeks, yeah, but I think days, we will come down here to 7 cents because we have this open down gap here for Faraday Future, and then even lower prices are possible, yeah. If you missed that squeeze, guys, yeah, I have a lot of tickers here on my channel. I will do another video. We have now a price action here with a so-called ninja chart stock, and I have one stock here on my channel. This is for members only, where we have 15,000% squeeze potential, guys, yeah. This stock is building now something like a technical bottom, and I will update here this video as well. So if you want to check that out, guys, you can join in here my memberships. I also upload here the so-called hot stock videos. The newest video is available right now, so you can check that out. We have a lot of squeezes in the market. It is not necessary that you FOMO in some stocks or that you go all in one stock, guys. I mean, this is your decision, but not necessary, since we have a lot of squeezes in the market. The last squeeze here for one of my hot stocks was 365% in one day, and it is a very, very nice profit here for swing traders, guys. I also have here on Patreon, so when you want to see here or when you want to join in the memberships, I have the Elite Circle membership on YouTube, and a little bit more popular membership is the Ultimate Black Belt membership on Patreon, where I also show you all the member videos, my hot stock videos and trading alerts, guys. Here is just one example of a trading alert which I posted on Patreon here. That ticker, guys, also squeezed 405%, even more, 435% in total after my prediction, guys. Yeah, if you want to join the memberships, guys, the link is in the video description. Yeah, guys, so long story short, how to trade Faraday Future. In my opinion, yeah, this is, as I said, not a financial advice. We have just two scenarios. We have to accept that Faraday Future diluted the stock heavily. This is a big problem. So sooner or later, when the price will come down below 10 cents, they have to do a reverse stock split again. Otherwise, there is a potential delisting when this ticker trades below 10 cents. Yeah, we are not there yet, guys, but the chart is telling that we have to come down to 7 cents. And when the short sellers keep the stock below 10 cents for 10 consecutive business days, then the stock could potentially get delisted if Faraday Future is not reacting on that. Keep that in mind. This is not a safe play for the future. This is now here a swing trade opportunity where we are exactly reached the price goal, which I expected, 20 cents. And we could see here a very nice swing trade to the upside. As I said, 76 cents is a very, very strong resistance. So that would be here the best case scenario in my opinion. Otherwise, we will get rejected here somewhere at 35 cents. Maybe here when we see what the bulls did here in the past, where the bull stepped in, this is where I expect the price to go when we see here a rebound. So something here between 37, you can see here 35 and 45 cents, guys. This is what I expect here. That would be a very nice 100% swing trade. And as I said, based on the Fibonacci retracement here, even 59 to 60 cents is possible for Faraday Future, guys. Yeah, if you want, please copy here the lines from the chart. I will disable the indicators. Let's make that quick and simple here. So you can pause the video, copy the price levels if you want. As I said, guys, your decision which stock you want to trade or not. This is everything based here on TradingView. If you don't have TradingView, you can also go here in the video description. There is a discount link, guys. When you click this link and register up for TradingView, then you save here $15. And I always recommend to start with the plus tier. This is very good for beginners and advanced traders, guys. Yeah, don't miss here my hot stock videos, guys. We have a lot of squeeze opportunities in the market. Yeah, the links to the memberships are here in the video description. And as I said, I will update here an update on the so-called market collapse alien stock. This is a very interesting ticker, guys, with high potential. Nobody is talking about that. This ticker is on my radar, and there is really a 15,000% squeeze potential based on the technicals. Guys, that was the update. I wish you a great day. Let's hope that we see a rebound for Faraday Future, a nice swing trade opportunity. And see you in the next video, guys. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, einen schönen Tag, bis zum nächsten Video. Alles Gute, take care, guys. Bye bye.